To manage measurements placed on the images, click the Measurements panel button in the Show Measurements submenu, accessible from the toolbar or by right-clicking on the image. Once activated, the panel appears on the right side of the screen. At the top of the panel, the Global Settings section allows customization of the visual properties of new measurements by defining their color and thickness. Below this, a dedicated section is displayed for each opened study, showing the study date and description when available. Within each study section, all placed measurements are listed, including color, type, value, and any associated textual note. Navigation to the corresponding image is possible by clicking the row of the measurement. The appearance of a measurement can be modified by selecting the color indicator and choosing a new color or thickness. Textual notes can be added or edited by clicking inside the text field. Measurements can be deleted by clicking the Delete Measurement button. To save measurements or make changes permanent, the Save Measurements button at the top of the section must be selected. To revert to the last saved state, the Rollback Measurements to the Last Save Point button can be used. All measurements are associated with the user who created them and can be viewed only by that user.